Hello guys and welcome back to my channel Neelam's Good Times. For those who are new to my channel, I would like to welcome you and let me tell you my name is Neelam and I make videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle. So if any of these topics are of your interest, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the ting icon which will keep you updated about all my latest videos. So in my today's video, में काफी गर्मी पड़ गई है and I'm sure it's all across. तो गर्मियों से बचने के लिए I have prepared my summer essential kit which I am going to share with you. This is absolutely a non-sponsor. The products that I am going to show you I have purchased on my own and I've tried and tested, which I'll be sharing with you. So if you like any of the products, these are all available in the market and you can definitely make your buys and make your life much easier and simpler by making your summer essential kit. So let us find out what's all there in the kitty. Let's get started. The first thing that you need to have with you, whether you are in your office, you're in your home, you're traveling or doing anywhere, please carry your water sipper, your water bottle. Ensure that in summers you constantly keep hydrating yourself, because if you don't keep yourself hydrated, you will have serious stomach issues and health problems. So ensure you always keep yourself hydrated. Carry a water bottle, a sipper with you, keep it in your bag, keep it in your office, keep it in your workstation and constantly keep hydrating yourself. This product is pretty useful and this is an ice roller. This ice roller, you just put water inside and keep it in your freezer and your ice roller is ready. So number one, it helps in minimizing your pores and keeps your face depuffed and also reduces if you have any kind of inflammation due to summer on your face. And these are available on Amazon and the price is barely 59 rupees. Do not forget to use a roll-on during the summers. And this is from Yardley, London. It has a beautiful smell which makes you feel so refreshing and you get that happy and positive vibes by using this. And in case you have dark patches, it contains aminopeptide which will help in reducing and lightening your dark skin and will help you in giving a fairer underarm. Apply a deodorant for that feel fresh factor. You have to have this essential without which you cannot be or moving out of the house. That is a good sunscreen cream. And this product is from Plum, SPF 50 PA+++, and of late I've been using this sunscreen. It's really fetched me good results. But friends, please keep it in mind that sunscreen is something which you have to apply not only when you are moving out, but also keep applying sunscreen even while you are at home so that you get protected from your ultraviolet rays. And the most important benefit of using a sunscreen is it helps you in reducing your fine lines and helps you from not getting tanned. Essential thing that I'm going to talk about is this. Now what is this? And if you are not feeling like wearing a bra, because we know what it all happens in summers, we feel so sweaty underneath, we got you covered if you put on these silicone adhesive tapes. These are reusable and these are also available in Amazon and it comes in a very affordable prices. So if you want to make your life easier by constantly not getting that uncomfortable feel by putting on your bra, you can resort to these silicone adhesive nipple covers and they make you feel very easy breezy and are absolutely comfortable to use. Trust me, they are a woman's greatest friend, especially when it comes to summer. These absolutely have no side effects if you use them, and this comes in beautiful case like this. Comes in 6. 2 I have already been using. This comes with a tape. You just need to take it off and stick it on. Personal advice, when you are taking off your tape, do not throw this away so that you can again repaste it here and put it back in place and reuse them at least 2 to 3 times. Next product that you have to have in your summer kit essential is a good aloe vera gel. Guys, you could use any gel of your choice. If you are too much exposed to sun and if you get inflammations, if you get rashes, if you get irritations on your face, an aloe vera gel comes the best to your rescue. So try to use natural aloe vera gel. If you have it in your house, if you have some aloe vera plants, you are good to go. You can scoop it out and apply it on your face at any point of time. Otherwise, you can use these kind of an aloe vera gel which are absolutely non-aromatic, but yes, helps in reducing the inflammation of the skin, because my skin is very sensitive. So whenever I am exposed to sun, despite applying a sunscreen, I feel I get little, those red blemishes on my skin. And once I'm back home, I ensure I apply it on my face, and it gives a very thanda, cool wali feel. And that relaxes my face. It gives it a very smooth texture. Aloe vera has a lot of benefits. So why not keep fun in your summer kit essential? And the best thing you can do is, for your night care routine, please include this aloe vera gel and apply it on your face, and do not wash it, just let it dry, go off to sleep. And the next morning when you wake up, and you will really find the difference, that if you have a blemished or an irritable skin, you will really find the very smoothened and straightened out skin. So aloe vera, use karna na. The next product that you should have in your kitty is a mist, a face mist. Yeah, I have been a sucker for face mist. I use face mist right from the morning. After I brush my teeth, I'm freshened up, immediately I apply some face mist. All you need to do is just spray it all across your face and let it soak and let it get absorbed in your skin. This is also a very good skin soother. So if you are going out, once you have done your makeup, you can always seal your makeup with a good face mist. Use any product of your choice. Ensure you use good quality products, because when it comes to your skin, I would always advise that do not compromise in pricing or do not compromise in the quality of the product. And ऐसा नहीं कि आप जो भी product ये खरीदेंगे, it always has to be pricey, but please read the details of the product properly and invest in a good quality product, and help yourself to keep your skin well maintained. So a summer mist, it gives a very refreshing feel. Do not forget to use a good body moisturizer, and here I am talking about Bath and Body Works 1000 Wishes moisturizer. You can see I've used it to such an extent, almost khali ho gaya hai ye, and I'm somebody who is a sucker for a good moisturizer. Now the reason number one is, these moisturizers so easily they absorb into the skin and leaves your skin feeling very moist, very soft, and carry that nice smell with you if you use these kind of a good moisturizer. So these are my always a go-to moisturizer, Bath and Body Works. They have a wide variety. Into the Night is something which I use for my night moisturizer. Before I go to sleep, I ensure I moisturize my hand, my face, my body well, so that I again feel hydrated, because if you keep your skin moisturized well, you also feel hydrated from within. Your skin feels very soft, supple and looked after, and you that way prevent from getting those rashes, and you keep your skin in a very good condition. So 1000 Wishes and Into the Night is something which I've been using. If you want, you can order them. These are all available in Ajio. The next product is a rose water, Gulabari rose water. See, the products that all I'm showing you is all related to skincare. So if you have to keep your skin in a good condition, because more than winters, in summers we are more susceptible to bad skin. So Gulabari, this is again something which is available in online, and these are very readily available and very affordable. Gulab gel is also something which always is a skin soother. So whenever you are getting up in the morning, you can always apply some nice Gulabari. Just dab it on your cotton balls and apply it all over your face. Just dab it on your skin. Do not rub it, and let it soak and absorb in your skin. You will really see the difference. You will not only feel a little fresh, your skin will also have a very plumpy effect. Rose water comes with a lot of benefits. It helps in tightening your skin. You can use rose water for cleansing your skin, or for your makeup removal. It helps in pH balancing. It's an antibacterial product which prevents, from getting any kind of fungus or prevents any kind of face infection. You could also use it for your acne. If you have acne on your face, of course, you can always consult a dermatologist, and you must be using your cream. But apart from that, if you apply or dab rose water onto your acne, it helps in subsiding. So rose water has a lot of benefits. You ensure you have a Gulabari Gulab Gel in your summer essential kit, which is a low cost product but a very useful and a very beneficial product. The next product without which you should not move out of your house is your wet wipes. Yes, in summers it is pretty evident we feel very sticky, irrespective of whatever we are doing, we feel very sticky all across. But if you are carrying a wet wipe with yourself, these are disposable and you can just pluck out one and rub it, even in your underarm area or on your face or wherever you want to. Just use a wet wipe. It gives you a little cooler feeling and helps you in keeping you well maintained. Because if you want to do a makeover, if you want to remove your makeup, or if you want to remove your makeup, if you want to reapply your makeup, this kind of a wet wipe comes to great use, because it not only gives you, you can use it as a hand towel. Wet wipes helps in cleansing your hands, your fingers. It gives you a little cool feeling and also helps in removing the stickiness. So ensure without this you don't move out of the house. Summers calls for stickiness, sweatiness, which means you smell bad. And it is very important for anybody to smell good. You use a good and long-lasting perfume so that it helps you to last all throughout the day. And even if you are feeling sweaty from within, you don't stink and you are still carrying a very refreshing and a good smelly vibe in front of any people you are meeting with. And this, let me tell you, if you smell good, that really leaves a very good impression on people. So ensure whenever you're moving out of the house, you perfume yourself well, you smell good, and then move out of the house. This as a gift from my friend. So these are nice pocket perfumes. It smells very good and refreshing. This is kind of a lemony smell. So these kind of small pocket perfumes also you can keep, or you can use any product for that matter. But yeah, this looks nice. So it's small, handy. You have those roll-on perfumes also, which you can keep in your purse. Ensure you keep one in your purse and smell good anytime. So with this, guys, I come to the end of my video. I hope you liked it. I hope these products were useful for you. And if you think they're useful, then immediately start making your summer kit heat and bail yourself from this heat. I'll be seeing you soon with my new content. Till then, don't forget to press the bell icon. I'll be seeing you soon with my new content. Till then, aap khush rahiye and chust rahiye. I love you all. Adios.